Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix we detect unusual activity on your account and have locked it temporarily on Amazon Prime Video. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've been temporarily locked out of your Amazon Prime account because of unusual activity, don't worry, this happens sometimes due to Amazon's strict security system, which can occasionally flag accounts by mistake. First, make sure you are connected to a strong and stable internet connection. You can use either Wi-Fi or mobile data, as a reliable connection will help prevent errors and avoid the Amazon Prime Video unusual activity error while streaming or accessing your account. The next step is to head over to the Amazon Prime sign-in page and try logging in. You will likely see a message indicating that unusual activity was detected on your account. Click on the option to verify your identity. Amazon usually sends a verification code either to your registered email or phone number. Make sure to check both carefully, including your spam or junk folder, in case the message was filtered there. Once you receive the verification code, enter it exactly as shown. This step confirms that you are the rightful owner of the account. If for some reason you do not receive the code, you can try resending it or updating your contact details to ensure it goes to the correct email or phone number. After successfully verifying your account, it is crucial to immediately change your Amazon password. Choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used elsewhere to prevent unauthorized access in the future. Additionally, enabling two-step verification adds an extra layer of security, helping to protect your account from suspicious activity. If these steps still don't resolve the issue, your best option is to contact Amazon support directly. Simply go to Safari and search Prime Video Help. Click on first link and you will be on this page. Here, scroll down and you will see Contact Us button. They offer live chat and phone support to assist in unlocking your account safely and securely. Following these steps will usually restore access to your Amazon Prime account without further issues. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.